Alright, hi everybody, I'm Shauna, and this is Real Light Crafts. Welcome to my channel. Sorry about my voice, it is coming back, it's just a little bloody odd, if you will. Okay, we're going to do 2 canvases today, and this is a craft, once again, Dollar Tree Craft with Square is the name of the brand. But you can find them at the Dollar Tree or online at Dollar Tree. And the numbers all 63927762195. You guys, if you put that number in, you can't find it. I always recommend, since I did it for like 2 days straight before I realized what I was doing, put this name in. Make it so much easier. Craft with squares, and then you don't bloody have to worry about it because you got it. Alright, loves. So we're gonna get started, okay? It's a lot easier to find it that way, trust me. Alright, let's have some fun, you guys. Thank you once again so much for joining me. And let me try to make it where you can actually see my canvases. My out table is such a mess right now. Let me scoot this way a little. Alright. So what we're going to do is we're still going to do another pour. Pretty much similar to what we always do. But we are using, once again, the acrylic Applebell acrylic paint. Remember the X is because I pre-mixed this bottle. I refuse to waste. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and get 2 8x10 canvases. We'll go ahead and get our little painting knife, if you will. I can't think of the name. And we're going to start. The very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the black. And I think I'm going to, make sure it's mixed. You guys, let me show you what I used, okay? I did not use any glue like I normally do. We're trying something new. I did just use the pouring media. Once again, it's the Applebell. You guys, the best bet is Walmart, okay? Unfortunately, I don't think they ship it. You have to pick it up. But it's $19.99 for this big thing, which is 64 fluid ounce. Online at the famous you-know-what website. It costs $31.95, and I only found one person selling this size. I'd rather pay $19 and just go pick it up. So, that way I can get 2 bottles, right? For a little more than one. Alright, so let's get started. First thing we're going to do is take our black. We're going to pour the black. I really kind of want to go from mid, surprisingly. And then we'll just work our way one way or the other. We're going to do it right there. Take your knife. This is pre-mixed, so it may not quite work the way I want it, because I didn't think about not using it pre-mixed until right now after I poured it. So we're just going to go ahead and get this going. And you know what? This is really good mix. So it's just going to do exactly what I don't want it to do. So we're going to bring that to our benefits. See, it's already giving me cells, you guys. I mean, it's so awesome. It's pulling apart from the canvas because it is giving me cells, because it is pre-mixed. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take our black paint. Now, even though this is mixed, it doesn't have a lot in it because I pretty much used everything. Except for a wee bit that wasn't really too mixed until I put this leftover in it. So we're just going to add that, give it a little more of a thickness here. And hopefully hide where some of the cells want to come. Okay, so now we got this started. Oops. Once again, we're using Applebell's acrylic paints, okay? And we're also using the silicone. Amazon for this, you guys, a big bottle. And let's go ahead and do our second side here. And we're just going to go ahead and pull the white paint down. Now this one, as you can tell, is not pre-mixed. Pretty cool, huh? And it doesn't have an X, it just has my hand. Oh. So anyways, let me go ahead and grab my napkin. Where'd it go? There it is. So I can wipe off this knife. And we're going to go ahead, use our same knife. And I'm going to do this side here white. That's nice and thick paint. I love this kind of paint. The other one I said I did not, and I know you guys can't hear it because my voice was so gone. I had to do music with it, not voice. But I'm kind of glad I didn't say the name of the paint in voice, because I gave it another shot with a different form of painting, and I love it. So I will be definitely buying more of that. Okay, guys, so let me just get the edge here. I can tell there ain't nothing there. Oops. Hoping don't have enough room to do this in. Alright, I am going to leave this thick. Not too thick, though. Not like that was. Okay, there's a lump. Always get out the lumps of paint, you guys. You don't want those in your canvases or anywhere. Now that we got this one done, I'll pick up what I can. So I want to leave it kind of thick instead of wasting my paint. Clear off the tip of that one. Bring this over here. Alright, we're just going to use what we got and be happy we got it. Move this a little bit up here. Alright, guys. Okay. Alright. So now what we're going to do is have some fun, I hope. I'm going to go ahead and get my empty cup, which disappeared because I asked her how to make a color, because I forgot one, so I'm going to grab a cup. Just a semi-clear cup. Sorry about that, guys. I wish it was clear. Now I'm going to add my mixed black. And I am going to go ahead and put my red next. And we're just going to put so much in there. And my red, and I'm very fond of orange, as we all know. And since I'm hoping this will work for a certain area in my home, I'm going to go ahead and add my yellow. Remember the yellow and the orange, the yellow and the red should make orange. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab blue. You know what? We're going to put white instead. We're going to add some white. Whoa. Add white. That's almost like it was just medium, huh? Add my blue. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to add more red. You may think I'm making too much paint, but I got 2 canvases, so. And we're going to add more of the yellow. And we'll go ahead and add just a wee bit more of the white. Can you see the cells in here starting, you guys? That's more than enough. And we're going to add a tad of blue because I don't think I added it in between. But the ones, so there we go. Okay. We are ready to go. Now we got this mixture. And since my paint did not work the way I want it on the canvas, we're just going to make it, okay? And what I wanted to do, I'll do some other day. But I am going to go ahead and pretend I'm going to make it the way I want it to. I'm going to place my hand right down the middle here and slowly pour it. Slowly pour it. I don't know if you guys can see it. Here comes some of the prettier colors. And we'll just keep going and going and going. All the way across. There's some blue finally. I am going to add more on this one because I wanted some blue on both, and that one did not give me much blue. We might we'll do one, do the other. Alright guys, I'm going to set this paint aside. And now we can go ahead and do our magic here, okay? let's just see what we get. And go ahead and go and pull it off. Get all the edges I can get. I do have videos going up, guys, with music, and I say it's artwork for the blind. It is, actually, but it's for everybody to be able to enjoy it. It is so that you can, for the blind, so that you can touch it and feel the different sections of what it is. And I'll be honest, I'm not liking this. This did not work out. So we're going to have to make me like it here. Yeah, definitely is not what I wanted. Okay, I'm going to move my knife. Yeah, just set it right there. Grab another tissue. And hang on, guys. Alright, guys. That's having little problems with the camera. Doesn't want to stand. Alright, so let's go ahead. As you can see, these cells already coming out. Even though I don't even like this, they're coming out. So let's go ahead and do this other side. Just get this going real fast here. And we're just going to bring it this way and that way. And I'm going to stop just like that. And I'll tell you why. Because I'm not getting as pure colors as I like. So we're going to do it my way. I tried it the way a friend told me, and I don't like it. And that's okay. I don't have to like it. Everybody's entitled to have their own opinion of something. So we're just going to make this work a little different for us, okay? Red, yellow, blue. We're going to add some red. Go right on the canvas with this, you guys. If you don't like something, that's one great thing about this type of painting. You redo it until you like it. Doesn't have to be one way or the other. It's for you. Alright, now we're going to see what we can do with this. And if we still don't like it, well, we still got paint here. Sometimes you got to waste it to make what you like. And that's just the way it is sometimes. I like how this is coming down. Let's go ahead and get this end. I think we should add a little bit of white before I go any further. I'll just add some right through here. There we go, guys. Go ahead and set that down. I actually do like this edge. Alright, guys. So, shall we try it again? Now what we're going to do is we're going to take our napkin and lay our napkins, oops, on a canvas. Put them down, end to end. See what we get. I don't know if you actually see this. Try and get a hold of the napkin. There you go. Okay, guys. We're going to pull it up. And before we go any further, put your heat on low. Got a few cells coming here, a lot of white. Whoa. I just had an accident here with paint. Oh my goodness. Let me see if I can at least keep most of it going on the floor. Bear with me 1 second. Okay. Have to stay like that until I can get to it in a second. Now, our second one here, I'm going to go ahead and get our paint. We're going to make a lighter color, okay? I'm going to go ahead and grab another container. Just didn't like how the last one came out. So we're going to try it differently. No black. We're going to add our red. And go ahead and add some blue. And we're going to add white. And a tad of yellow, you guys. Only because that's what's left out of this container that was full. Almost. Really sucks. But anyways, we're going to do this. Now watch. Take our pretty colors. Just going to do the same circle motion, okay? Because we didn't like how old... I'll talk to my friend. I'm sure I'm missing something. And there we go. Got our paint on there. Just set that over there in the trash. I'll take care of it. Now let's just slowly get this going. See what I mean by just because you didn't like it the first time doesn't mean you have to be stuck with that. You can cover it up. You can take off that original paint. You can do it however you want to do it. Doesn't mean you're stuck with it. You don't have to like it the way it originally came out. See if I can get this little edge there. There we go. Okay, guys, whoops. Let's just use a hairdryer, okay? Let's not turn it into nothing other than what it is naturally. Once again, low heat. Now look at the cells. Amazing. Can you guys see these cells? What do you guys think? I like this one. If it had a little more white, it'd be perfect. That one's pretty cool. The other one, it's kind of cool too, really, if you think of it. It's different. It's just different. And I actually like it. So we're going to say that yay. The way that originally it was supposed to be wasn't a success. But the second time around makes it pretty cool. So anyways, you guys, once again, thank you so much for joining me here on Ring of Light Crafts, my channel. And if you wouldn't mind, please hit that subscribe button and hit the notification so you know when I come back on. And don't forget, I always have to say this. Thank you. And as always, be blessed.